जम्मू आ गए, दिल्ली आ गए, अलग अलग जगह पे आ गए, और अगर सरकार उनको कहेगी फिर से हम
मेरी बात समझ गए? क्या सबके साथ मर्डर हो जाता है? क्या सारी बहुएं जला के मार दी जाती?
Hello student, this is another important video and the topic is related to the minor law subject, that is Registration Act. Although that is minor law, but it is very important aspect to understand whenever we are dealing with the transfer of immovable property. So student, we are dealing with one particular, that is section 70. Always we know that section 17 of the Registration Act talks about compulsory registration of certain kinds of documents. So the question is, when we talk about that any kind of right which is created, which is extinguished, extended, which is listed or conveyance over any over immovable property, then such document must be done. But the question is, just imagine if two persons have already a pre-existing rights and they have settled into compromise. They entered into the compromise and they decided what kind of share each one will get. The question is that particular kind of compromise is required to be registered or not? So now we have an important case law, and the case is very recent in the year of 2024, in which that is the case of Mukesh versus State of MP. इस जजमेंट में सुप्रीम कोर्ट के पास क्वेश्चन ये कि अगर कोर्ट के पास कोई सूट आता है रिलेटेड टू एनी काइंड ऑफ ट्रांजैक्शन विच इज कन्वर्टेड टू डॉक्यूमेंट in relation to the immovable property, and the court has issued a decree in furtherance of the compromise done between both the parties, is that compromise decree is also required to be registered or not? Because we know if anything which is already mentioned as compulsory registrable under section 17 and we are not going for registration, it will leave an adverse effect. The effects are already given in the section 49 of it. So there was a question if both the parties who have compromised, who have entered into the compromise, and in that furtherance court had signed that the compromise decree, is that compromise decree is required to be registered or not? So in this case, the Supreme Court has to deal section 17 and the section 17 subclause 2 and this. ये क्वेश्चन ये था कि कंप्रोमाइज डिक्री को रजिस्ट्रेशन होना चाहिए कि नहीं, and the Supreme Court very clearly settled down, which we already know, that any compromise decree is also required to be registered, but we know that there must be 3 conditions which must be. तो अगर किसी भी कंप्रोमाइज डिक्री को रजिस्ट्रेशन की ज़रूरत है तो उसके लिए हमें ये देखना पड़ेगा कि 3 एस्पेक्ट्स हैं जो हम इसमें अंडरस्टैंड करें. द फर्स्ट एस्पेक्ट विच इज़ वेरी क्लियर दैट जो भी कंप्रोमाइज करेंगे वो कंप्रोमाइज कैसा होना चाहिए? विदाउट कलूशन, यानी पार्टीज. दैट इज द फर्स्ट रिक्वायरमेंट. द सेकेंड रिक्वायरमेंट इज दैट जो कंप्रोमाइज डिक्री होगी उसमें सब्जेक्ट मैटर ऑफ द प्रॉपर्टी इन डिस्प्यूट चाहिए. तो जो कोर्ट कंप्रोमाइज इशू कर रहा है कंप्रोमाइज, उसी कंप्रोमाइज डिक्री में दैट पर्टिकुलर प्रॉपर्टी मस्ट बी इन्वॉल्व एज अ डिस्प्यूट प्रॉपर्टी. दिस इज द सेकेंड एस्पेक्ट वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड. द थर्ड पॉइंट इज दैट कि यहाँ पर दोनों के बीच में ऑलरेडी पहले से प्री एग्जिस्टिंग राइट्स होने चाहिए विच दे फर्दर हैव सेटल्ड. तो अगर ये तीनों चीज़ें कलेक्टिवली मिलती हैं तो वहां पर आप कहेंगे कि नाउ इट इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड टू बी रजिस्टर्ड. So what is the point? Supreme Court ने कहा कि whenever we are dealing with a compromise decree and this compromise decree is coming within the ambit of section 17 to subclause 6, तो वहां पर उस compromise decree की registration की नहीं है. So what we need? No need of नो नीड ऑफ रजिस्ट्रेशन. अब क्योंकि ऐसे पर्टिकुलर इंस्ट्रूमेंट में रजिस्ट्रेशन की ज़रूरत नहीं है तो एक और क्वेश्चन बना, वेदर वी नीड टू पे द स्टाम्प ड्यूटी ऑल्सो. आंसर इज स्टिल नो. ना तो आपको स्टाम्प ड्यूटी देना पड़ेगा, ना ही आपको रजिस्ट्रेशन करवाना होगा उस पर्टिकुलर इंस्ट्रूमेंट का. पॉइंट एज आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू, दैट इज द कंप्रोमाइज डिक्री. इट इज कमिंग विद इन 3 certain principles which we already know, and the third point is that this must not be giving any kind of newly created rights over the other party. So if all these certain conditions are fulfilled, we can say that such instrument cannot be registered, is not required to be registered, nor stamp duty. This is all. We can conclude this whole case in first three scenario. That is the case of Mukesh versus State of MP 2024. Supreme Court clarified, which was already existing in the law, which is provided in the that compromise decree is not required to be registered, neither stamp duty is required to be paid. That is all. Thanks for watching this.
Subscribe for more content.